If you don't like boring animal facts but still love fun surprises, then pandas are about to blow your mind. Stick around for the wildest panda secret yet. Did you know pandas eat bamboo almost all day long? But here's the twist. Pandas are actually part of the family. Yep, the same group as lions. Even though 99% of their food is bamboo, their ancestors were meat eaters. And pandas still have a carnivore's digestive system. Mind blown, right? But wait, there's more. Pandas aren't just adorable snackers, they're awesome tree climbers and fantastic swimmers. Young pandas especially love to climb and splash around. If you had fun, hit like, share, and subscribe. Send this to a fellow cat lover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more animal fun.